to Seven Anubis Farms, and today we're going to be building our farrowing pens.
Yes.
So we've got this open area right here in our barn, and we're going to go ahead. We've got all the materials, and we're kind of doing this the quick and easy way, I think, really. We're just going to attach, we're going to use cattle fencing for all of this. We did find a fairly decent deal on it, right? So it was like a fall sale, and so we kind of overwintered this fencing. But today we're going to go ahead and get these pens built because a couple of our gilts are getting pretty darn close to being sows. We're going to go build you guys a new place for you to have your babies. Yeah. It's Navani on the right and Lift on the left. You can see that she's getting a little wider across the middle. Oops, sorry about the fence there. But you can see that she's getting a little wider across the middle. And then if she would hold still, I'd show you how her tummy is getting kind of saggy too. Yeah. It's a little hard to see, but you can tell that it's filling out. And we think that she's probably about 3 weeks out. So,
right?
They're gonna have their babies probably in another 2-3 weeks, maybe on one of them.
Yeah.
Right. So.
Yeah. Oh, we should mention.
Maybe 4 weeks.
We should mention that if they go check out our Patreon page, that if they become one of our patrons, they will be notified first of piglets.
Yeah. Well, yeah. So come see us on Patreon, and you know, support our channel that way. That would help us out to keep doing cool content like this for you guys, and
A lot.
give you something to see. And anyway, we're gonna go ahead and do this. And
I don't think I've been in the shot for most of the time.
you were in the shot, I think.
Okay, we'll find out.
I hope. I don't know. We'll see. Yeah. First thing we got to do is we've got this measured off. We're gonna do 6 feet by. It'll end up being 16 feet. So 6.
Hey!
Come on, guineas.
Shush, y'all!
Thor, go calm them down.
I think that's why they're freaking out, is because of Thor.
I think they're just hams. They like the camera. Every time I turn on the camera, they do this.
Yeah.
All right, so anyway, we're going to dig this out so we can get this first gate level. We'll get that going, and we'll just take some little shots of what we're doing today. One of our turkeys got all gimpy on us today, so we had to put a turkey in
Nursing pen.
the nursing brooder area over here. But she seems to be doing okay. We'll see how she ends up being, but they were picking on her pretty hard, and we thought maybe she could use a break. I'm guessing part of it's just spring mating season, and they're just getting a little rough.
Yeah.
So we need is more turkey hens than we've got 2 hens and 2 roosters. So
Yeah.
we need more of those, and we're going to get there. If we can get them to start laying eggs, well,
Right?
we're going to incubate a bunch of turkeys this year. That was the goal. If not, we're going to have to buy some chicks.
Yeah.
But anyway, on with the farrowing pen project. Oh, well, this is nice and soft. That's good. All right, we get that cleared out and be nice and soft. That was easy to do. Get that leveled out, and then we'll put the first gate up. So we're attaching this to the existing wood slat wall of the barn here, and using some C-clamps. And we'll just clamp it right onto that instead of using the hangers. We can use the hangers somewhere else, but this makes a little more sense. Make it real sturdy and strong. As these silly pigs love to tear up everything. All right, so hi guineas again. So we got the first 2 panels almost done here. We're gonna go ahead and cut these off. Since we don't need these hangers, we'll use them for some other fences later on. Yeah, we'll just drive in another T-post here, and then we'll put in another one over here, and it'll swing out this way, hanging it off of the wall over here, and that'll be the way to get in and out. And then hopefully, well, actually, I had already measured it. The scoop bucket for our tractor fits right in here, so you can just open this up, get the pigs out, clean out their thing with the tractor, take it back out, and into the compost, easy peasy.
Lemon squeezy.
Yeah, we're supposed to say lemon squeezy now.
Sorry, sir. We're not allowed to say that anymore. It's lemon squeezy now.
Yeah, but
I think it's fine if he's Japanesey.
as you wish. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy.
According to the movie Dawn of the Dead.
Yeah. According to, what's his name? Dieter?
Dieter? Yes.
Yeah, that guy. Great movie if you haven't seen it. All right, now it's time to put on the door. Woo! As I knock the camera over. It'll be
Yay.
great.
Ugh.
Ready?
Yep.
Watch out, kids.
Move, chicken.
Okay, it can come your way some.
Yeah.
Just bring it all the way over and then we'll mark the holes. And
Okay.
then when we do it, we'll have to make sure we leave enough
Yeah.
out to,
Yep.
you get what I'm saying.
Yeah.
And try to get it level.
Right. And then what are we going to use? Are we just going to use a chain?
Yeah, there's a chain built onto it. And
Oh.
we can, yeah, or we can just, yeah, but I figured we'd probably just put chain on there. And,
Okay. Like we do
yeah,
everything else?
yeah. Unless we got a different kind of bracket that no, we'd have to buy another one
Oh,
with
yeah.
a different type of thing that would latch all
Right.
the way around. I don't know. So,
Okay.
all right, and here's our final product. Like I said, 16 by 6. Should give her plenty of room to hang out. In that back corner, I'm going to put in a board running parallel down there to give the piglets a little spot to go and get out from underneath mom if they need to. Just for a little bit while they're real small. But yeah, finished product. Farrowing pen complete. Thanks everybody for coming and seeing our video here. Like, subscribe, all that fun stuff if you would, that'd be great. But yeah, farrowing pen for your pig complete. We'll see you guys next time. Thank you.